What if I told you there's an indicator detecting trends smoother, more accurately than the traditional Supertrend? You'd believe me, right? Well, there is. Today, I'll show you the radius trend, a powerful chart prime indicator for market analysis combining simplicity, fluidity, and high efficiency. You'll understand how it works, how to apply it in different scenarios, and a practical way to use this indicator to find consistent entries. So like this video and stay with me till the end, as this could be the indicator that changes your trend analysis. To start, open TradingView, which is the platform we'll be using. Find the trading pair you like to trade. I will be using Bitcoin USDT, but you could use cryptocurrencies, Forex, stocks, or indices, whatever you prefer. You can also use your preferred time frame. I've chosen the 30-minute, but it could be 1 hour, 4 hours, the daily chart. Really, whatever you prefer. Head over to Indicators, and then you're going to search for Radius Trend. It will be this option from Chart Prime. Just click it, and it will appear on your screen. But what exactly is the Radius Trend? It is a tool utilizing a radius-based system to dynamically follow the market's direction. It's very simple to understand and is based on 3 main elements. The first is the trend cloud, which changes color between green and red. When the price is above the green cloud, the market is in a clear uptrend. When the price is below the red cloud, it indicates a downtrend. Right below that, we have a dashed line that acts as a pullback zone. In an uptrend, instead of just buying anywhere, it's best to wait for the price to pull back and touch this dashed line before entering. The same applies to a downtrend. Wait for the price to rise to that line and look for a selling opportunity. Another important detail, the space between the price and the base of the cloud shows the trend strength. The wider this space, the stronger the movement. When the price is very close to the cloud, it shows a sideways or indecisive market. Here in the settings, you will find several interesting options. You have the ability to fine-tune the indicator's sensitivity. Lower values make it faster but also more sensitive to noise. However, larger values make the signals more stable, yet less reactive. The secret is to find a balance between the two. These are the configurations I prefer to use when trading on charts set to 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. Then you can just click OK, and it will be configured however you want. And you're probably wondering, how do I use this indicator daily? But first, many ask which broker I use for Forex, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. The answer is EXNESS. For me, it's the market's best and most complete broker. If you've ever got frustrated with your broker, you'll get what I'm about to say. Many brokers delay order execution. EXNESS offers instant execution. Some charge very high spreads. EXNESS offers extremely low spreads and fees among the market's lowest. Ever waited days for a withdrawal? With EXNESS, funds arrive almost instantly. And best, you get nearly infinite leverage, however you want, controlling your risk. If your broker lags, charges much, or delays payment, change now. The link's in the description, and as I said, I consider it among the best brokers with the lowest market fees. And the simplest, most effective way, in my opinion, is to wait for a pullback into the indicator's zone. Just look at this downtrend opportunity. At this particular moment, the price established a clear downtrend, which was precisely indicated by the indicator. It went up, then returned inside the channel, inside the cloud, and even touched the dashed line. Remember what we talked about? The dashed line presents an excellent opportunity for us to make a pullback entry. We can observe that specifically with this candle, it displayed a significant amount of strength to move beyond the channel. Therefore, when it forms a candle like this, we can precisely place our sell order at the close of this very candle. We'll set our stop loss slightly above this region, in this instance at 1%, and position our risk-reward ratio 2 times below, meaning 2% in this case. The market immediately dropped, giving us a beautiful victory within the downtrend. Now observe how straightforward the uptrend is as well. You can clearly see that at this specific moment the price took on an uptrend. We're going to wait for it to retrace into the green zone, specifically alongside the dashed line. The price touched down here, and we saw a strong candle emerge from this region, clearly indicating a resumption of the uptrend in this particular scenario. It performed exactly what I just mentioned within this specific candle. Therefore, we notice a substantial buying force present in this specific region. We can set our entry point precisely at the closing price of this candle, positioning our stop loss slightly below this area, specifically at 0.60 in this instance, and aim for a target that is double that, resulting in a 1.20 return. The chart came down to this point, giving us yet another win, now in an uptrend. Do you see how simple and easy it is to use this indicator? And if you're already enjoying videos such as this one, featuring simple indicators for daily use in financial market operations, I'm counting on you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications so you know whenever I post a new video, and also leave a like to help the channel grow. Comment more indicators for me so I know you want more videos with easy TradingView indicators like this one. But remember, okay? This isn't an investment recommendation, nor for buying or selling any asset or using the indicator. Always use your own analysis, risk management, and never trade with money you can't lose. If you don't feel comfortable trading, find a professional to work with you. And the conclusion is that this indicator is visual, adaptable, and helps identify trends, reversals, and even consolidation moments with much more clarity than any other. When it's combined with the pullbacks that occur within the dashed line, it becomes one of the most comprehensive tools available for securely capturing strong market movements. So, as I said, if you liked it, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment more indicators. That's it for today's video, and see you in the next analysis.